Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial for any investor. Whether you're cashing out for a big purchase or just diversifying your holdings, this step-by-step process will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have both a Coinbase account with Dogecoin in it and the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Double-check that your Trust Wallet is set up correctly for Dogecoin. It's essential for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account via the app or website. Head over to your portfolio and select your Dogecoin wallet. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Choose the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Remember, Coinbase might charge a small fee, so factor that in to avoid surprises. Step 3. Open your Trust Wallet app, navigate to your Dogecoin wallet, and tap to copy the receiving address. Pro tip: always verify this address twice to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, select the Withdraw or Send option for Dogecoin. Paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet and enter the amount. Step 5. Review all the details carefully, including the network. Make sure it's the Dogecoin network, fees, and destination. Once you're confident, hit confirm to send the transaction. Step 6. Sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but it could be longer depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or Coinbase notifications for confirmation. Finally, once it's complete, open Trust Wallet and refresh your Dogecoin balance to see your funds. If you run into any issues, double-check the transaction on a blockchain explorer. That's it, you're all set. Withdrawing Dogecoin is simple when you follow these steps. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy investing.